Weather report for the 24th. Bright, bright sunshine. Gianna approves.
Merry Christmas!
It's Christmas Eve for us. I was going to say it's Boxing Day. It's really not. It's Christmas Eve for us, but you are seeing this on Christmas Day. So I hope you are having a wonderful time, and thank you so much for taking any time out of your day to come and watch us. So
we're having a massive cooking, aren't we?
Yes, I shall show you what I've been down here since about 9:30 this morning. I'll show you what I've been up to, and but first we're going to do calendars.
Yes.
Let's hope that you go out on a bang.
I go out on a bang, number 24.
Right in the middle. Please don't be white chocolate.
No.
Oh,
Hi!
Orange chocolate with chili. Oh yes.
Oh.
Oh yes.
do you think Mandel is orange?
Oh, mandarin then.
Well,
Look at the picture.
They're almond. There's no orange on there. There's just chili. Ow. That's my toe. He does wear glasses.
Could you remind me what an orange looks like?
No. None of those things on that picture.
No. Not an orange in there, is there?
No.
No. Mm.
How is your chili chocolate?
Ordinary.
Oh, that's so sad. It started so well.
It's not even... Oh!
Oh, did you just get the chili?
Bloody hell.
You spoke way too soon.
Mm.
Better?
Oh! Yeah.
Are you happy now?
Honestly.
Oh, your face is going red.
Oh! I love it.
Definitely spoke way too soon there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, can you guess what this last one is?
Well, hopefully it's the fanfare of everything.
Well, yeah. But given that there's 2 projects and you've only got...
Yeah.
So
it's a whole project?
no.
I've got bits of it.
This is the final fabric.
Yes. Oh, right. Final curtain. Oh! Ta-da!
Oh, and you got 2 chocolates today. Oh, I was clearly feeling generous.
Yeah.
It's another one, or a couple of meter of the border print for fussy cutting.
Excellent.
At your pentagons. So that is...
So there's 2 projects, which
3.
are the 2 cushions.
There's 2 cushions and your chatelaine.
Oh, the chatelaine. Yes.
Got 2 of those.
Mm-hmm.
And the chatelaine kit.
Aha.
So 3 projects in total.
Very, very exciting.
And we can hopefully... Shall I just put this entire box in the
We will.
sewing room
And
for
then
now,
I'll-
and then we'll
Yeah.
distill it out.
Yeah.
I wonder if I've got anything exciting on the 24th. Probably not. Oh, I can't get into... This has seriously been the most rubbish one to get in and out of. Oh, it's a little baby's heart. Do you want a spot?
I don't mind if you prefer.
Yes, please. Thank you.
So I'm going to put Bailey's heart first, because this is my favourite. Nice.
I'd know you anywhere in the dark. All I'd have to do is give you a chocolate.
I'll be back in a second. I'm back. So it is currently 3 minutes to midday. I have done the Brussels sprouts, the cabbage, the gravy, and I've chopped up the potatoes and the root vegetables and wrapped the pigs in blankets. I couldn't do the stuffing because I forgot to take it out of the freezer yesterday, so I'm going to do that when I get up. And Dad's going to remind me many times to do that because I have a lot of the food in my freezer and fridge because I've been emptying them out because we were supposed to be living together by now. So my cupboards are very, very bare. Very bare indeed. But yeah, I'm going to go back up to mine and carry on filming all the bits and pieces that I needed to get done today.
And don't forget, I'm preparing a ham.
Oh,
Mum's icing a cake. And then I'm bagging up a casserole.
hadn't got to that bit yet. I was still saying what I was doing.
That's why I said we're a hive of activity.
So yes, Wilson's not arriving till around about 6 o'clock this evening. So I'm going to get on with filming the rest of the videos that I'd like to get done today. And as Dad has just said, he is doing a ham for Christmas breakfast tomorrow. It's very traditional for us. And Mum is icing the cake. She's making the icing. Dad is sorting out the casseroles that he's made over the last couple of days. So yes, as he said, hive of activity. I'll quickly show you what I've been up to and then we will head upstairs to mine. Prepped roasty potatoes, pigs in blankets, chopped veg, Brussels sprout and bacon gratin, which I'm actually going to eat Brussels sprouts, which is unheard of. Just finishing off the red cabbage there. That needs to have all its liquid evaporate. We're nearly there. I've made gravy in their way. I'm going to be making gravy my way tomorrow as well, but this actually does taste very nice. And yeah, Mum is just about to start icing the cake. It's really bright in here, so I've had to draw the curtains and pull the blind down so that I can actually see what I'm doing. This is why I can't have nice things. Why? You little monster. It is much later on in the day and I am finally ready to start doing some filming for what I'm hoping are going to be the videos going up from Boxing Day onwards. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I didn't sleep very well last night. I think it was excitement, but yeah, that's one of those things. But never mind, let's get on with some filming. Hello? Yep, sure, okay. In a minute. I have just filmed 2 videos. I was trying to get 1, 2, 3, 4. I was trying to get 6 done today. Who was I kidding? It's currently 5:30. Wilson is just arriving off of the ferry, so he's going to be here in about 45 minutes. So I'm going to try and film 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. I'm not going to be able to get the coat reviews done. I'm going to probably end up doing those at some other point over the next couple of days because Wilson is going to be playing his Christmas present, which is Cyberpunk 2077, although hopefully he'll be playing it because apparently it's buggy as hell. But yeah, I'm going to try and get the 2 fabric haul ones filmed before he gets here, and then I can do the coat reviews at another point in the next couple of days, although I'm not going to kill myself with stress about it because, you know, I'm going to be on holiday in about half an hour, 45 minutes, so yeah, exciting. I'm probably, usually I would change in between videos, but I love this dress and I want to wear this dress for the rest of the day, so I don't think I am going to change. I think I'm going to keep it on, which is a bit of a cheat, but never mind. You'll be seeing a lot of it over the next couple of days in my videos if I can get them edited. Hopefully I can. Wish me luck. Okay, it's 6 o'clock and I've managed to get my January plans video filmed, but Wilson should be here any second now, so I think I'm actually going to clean up this mess so that we have somewhere to sit when he arrives. And yeah, then I'm going to spend the evening with him, so I need to say goodbye to you guys. So this is the end of Vlogmas. It's been a whirlwind and so long in both ways. It's weird, like December seems to have never finished, and then I can't believe we're already here at Christmas Eve. It's just, yeah, where has the time gone? Where has this year gone? I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. I've really enjoyed filming it this year. As you'll have noticed at the beginning, I did a weather report. I'd stopped doing that this year because I didn't want to, we were supposed to be moving in the middle of December, so I didn't want the view to change. I thought that would be upsetting for me, so I decided not to do the weather report, but here we are, still at the same address. So yeah, I thought I'd get one last weather report in, and it's been an absolutely glorious day, and I've really enjoyed today actually. All the cooking this morning, all the filming this afternoon. Fingers crossed I've got enough stuff filmed so that there's some videos coming up during the kind of interim Christmas and New Year week. Fingers crossed. Still got to edit them all. When's that gonna happen? It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I'm just going to keep telling myself that. But yeah, I've really enjoyed this Vlogmas. I've really enjoyed this Vlogmas, and I've really enjoyed reading all of your comments. So thank you very much for coming along with me. It's been amazing. As you guys know, I'm not filming tomorrow. I'm doing things a little bit differently. I won't be doing Vlogmas right up until New Year's Eve, as I have done for the last 4 years. Bit of a change of pace, but it's going to be a very different Christmas this year, so I think that's right. But yeah, I will let you guys know what I got for Christmas. I hope you all have an amazing day, whatever you are doing, whoever you are getting to spend it with. I hope that Santa is kind, and I will see you all in the new year. Can't believe I'm saying that. So yeah, Merry Christmas everybody, and I will see you in 2021. Bye!